Today, the sentiment on the global trading floors is moderately optimistic. Oil prices went up after a short decline yesterday, while the ruble showed almost no changes against both the euro and the US dollar. Investors are worried about a sharp rise of COVID-19 cases in India. This may stop OPEC from increasing crude production volumes that was planned for May. What will happen next? Find out in our review. Yesterday, the OPEC Technical Committee left its previous forecast for global oil demand unchanged, so the organization expects fuel demand to rise by 5.95 million barrels per day. The cartel also postponed the meeting of oil exporting countries. This confirms a popular opinion that current oil prices are beneficial to both producers and consumers. Brent crude added 0.75% to reach the level of $66.14 per barrel. The price is expected to stay in the range between $63 and $67.50 a barrel. In the morning session, WTI crude was trading at $62.30 per barrel after gaining 0.7%. WTI is likely to stay in the price channel between $61 and $64 a barrel in the next 2 days. North American grade has entered a comfortable range and can hold there for a long time unless unexpected changes in the US market alter investor sentiment. In the dollar-ruble pair, the ruble's uptrend came to a halt. The pair is currently trading at 74.80. Previously, the ruble has advanced amid stabilization of tensions between Russia and Ukraine. Besides, it was supported by a rate hike introduced by the Central Bank of Russia. The regulator raised the interest rate by 0.5% to 5%. On the other hand, there are no new drivers to push the ruble higher. Today, the dollar-ruble pair will most likely stay in the channel between 74 and 76 rubles per dollar. As we've mentioned before, the upside momentum of the ruble is losing steam. At the same time, the euro has also stopped its rally against the US dollar. While market participants are waiting for the decision of the US Federal Reserve on Wednesday, the euro versus the ruble pair has settled at the mark of 90.45. The quotes are forecast to stay in the range of 89.50 to 91.50 rubles per euro. At the beginning of the session, Russian stock indices gained support from positive dynamics in the oil market. In the course of the day, investors will evaluate corporate news and macroeconomic signals at least until Wednesday. Tomorrow, the EU may announce new sanctions against Russia. Meanwhile, the local market may stay in a moderately positive mood in the short term. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.